G'day. I'm coming to you at a time when the Omicron cases of the SARS-CoV-2 virus are really pretty high in so many parts of the world. Here in Melbourne, it's no exception, although cases are levelling off, reducing of late. But still, who knows what the future holds? And there are certainly places where cases are still surging to a high level as we enter this third year of the pandemic. But with that in such prominence, are we forgetting about a whole range of other health issues, public health, real global challenges? I'm Dr. Philip Button from the Food Entrepreneurship Academy, and in this short video, I want to talk to you about diabetes, actually. Diabetes is one of the several lifestyle diseases that are spiraling out of control in many countries. And we're not just talking about Western countries that are rather affluent and have diets of like Western style diets. We're particularly talking about countries where the traditional diets haven't been followed of late or in last several decades. And as a result, there's high sugar and high fat and various other junk foods that people are eating in those countries. And we're talking about countries in, for example, the Indian subcontinent, other places in Asia, Southeast Asia, Africa. And in particular, I want to draw your attention to Mexico, because I watched a video which I'll mention much later on in the video, in this video, about the rise and how Coke is just so ingrained and widely across Mexico, but particularly in this city where diabetes-related deaths are so high. The amount of people with diabetes is well and truly alarming, and something needs to be done. There's no doubt about it. And us as food entrepreneurs, food scientists, people with a passion for changing the world through food, are in a very good position to drive such change. And that's one of the things that we feel most passionate about, and that we can guide, support and mentor on. And that's developing food products that still have the sensory attributes that people want, but the food products that won't allow these high levels of lifestyle diseases to continue. And it's really what we want to do. Really one of the things we want to do is to try and reverse this through development of these foods, which can give the people what they want, but then is not detrimental at all to their health. So it's such a dire consequence, dire situation that these countries are in, and the consequences are well and truly dire. But as food entrepreneurs and food scientists, we can actually change the world in this way. We have the means, we have the abilities to do so, and teaming up with various people who have big plans, big ideas, big passions in creating healthier foods, changing the course of these global challenges of the obesity epidemic, cardiovascular disease, diabetes, and others, is something that we can really all do together. So check out the video that I've shared on the screen here, and also please subscribe to our channel here at Food Entrepreneurship Academy, and we really look forward to chatting with you again during one of our upcoming videos or one of our upcoming webinars or live events. So thanks very much for listening. It's Dr. Philip Button signing out from Melbourne. Thank you, and see you around.